The city of Vilnius, Lithuania has built a real-time portal to another city. They went all in on the idea and the design. It looks quite a bit like something out of a sci-fi movie Stargate. The city installed a circular door for the portal near its train stations and that connects to a portal in Lublin, Poland, about 600 kilometers away. The portals both have large screens and cameras that broadcast live images between the two cities. A kind of digital bridge, according to its creator, meant to encourage people to rethink the meaning of unity, Go Vilnius said in a press release. The circle design, meant to evoke the Wheel of Time and a well-known sci-fi symbol, was designed by the engineers at the Creative and Innovation Center at Vilnius Gediminas Technological University, also known as the Vilnius Tech. It was 5 years in making, and its unveiling at the end of the year-long pandemic is well-timed. There are plans to add more portals in other cities in the future, said the organizers. From design and the 3D modeling to the digital content development and logistic challenges, a project like this requires a broad and multifunctional team, said Adas Miskinas, the director of the Link Menu Fabricas. Meaningful projects like this one are born when the diverse people succeed in working together and achieving the synchronicity. Benedictus Gilles, the president of the Benedictus Gilles Foundation and who got the Vilnius credit, says the project is a bridge that unifies and an invitation to rise above the prejudice and a disagreement that belong to the past. Also, they are the initiators of Portal idea. It is really a good idea to bring people together with a real lifelike portal to connect people from anywhere in real time. So what do you think? Will this portal help to connect people from anywhere in the world?